This is the Pruder Laser Slingshot. This is a professional hunting high-grade slingshot for adults. And it's super compact, small enough that you can carry it in your pocket, so whenever you're in the outdoors and you want to carry this slingshot with you, it's nice, small, compact, easy to carry with you everywhere you go. What comes in this box is everything that you need to use this slingshot. It comes with this stainless steel handle. It comes with 2 of these rubber bands in case one breaks or gets unable to use when you're out in the field, and then it comes with 300 of these ball bearings, so you have plenty of balls to go shoot. And then it comes also with the practice target. If anybody's looking for a slingshot, I'd highly recommend this, just because everything that you need to go out and have fun and shoot things comes in this box, and it's made of high quality material.